everybody, it's Usernamekate and
Duke of Blonde.
And we are here in sunny Slovenia with Canary Motorcycle Tours. Lily, what are we getting up to today?
So today is the first day of the tour and we're going to be heading up into Austria, back down to Slovenia towards Kamenik. So come along for the trip.
Come along, guys. Super. Okie dokie, let's get los. German in a Scottish accent, okay. Oh, it's nice being somewhere hot, guys. So, this morning we left our hotel, which is absolutely gorgeous, and we made our way downtown. Oh, ding! We made our way out of Ljubljana. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Bust down, Ljubljana. And as Lily mentioned in the intro, today we're going through Austria and then we are heading to Kamenik for our lunch. We've got Martin in front. For those of you who don't know, Martin is one of the owners and guide riders at Canary Motorcycle Tours, and the man is an excellent rider. But other guides include Jose, who is crazy, but we love him. Today, Lily and I are just heading out with Martin. So we've got Duke of Blonde, my good friend Lily in front. She is on the Honda Transalp. And I am on the V-Strom 650, a nice funky Lelo one. I like bright bikes. I like either super stealth or super bright. If you live in the UK at the moment, you'll know that it's winter time, it's pretty cold out there. And right now, our trip period is the 23rd of July to the 27th. And I'm releasing the videos now while it's wintry and gloomy and horrid outside, because I feel like these videos are motivating. In the winter, it just gives you an excitement about what's to come when spring and summer roll round. I know Lily's name is Lily, but I'm going to call her Dizzy Lizzie because we were going to connect our Cardos because I have the Cardo Edge and that's what I use my comms. I absolutely love it. Lily is going between two helmets at the moment. She has the one that she's wearing and an LS2, and she forgot to take the microphone out of her LS2 helmet and bring it. So she's without a microphone for a Cardo. So we can't connect, we can't yippa yappa, which is a bit sad. But yeah, I've offered to go at the back again because it's just great to have Lily in front rather than have her behind me, because I mean, come on, there's great views everywhere, but that's the best one. Yes, Lily. We're having a bit of a girls' haul, a bit of a girls' hollybob. And I'm just so glad that I am back out here with Canary Motorcycle Tours now. I'm really lucky to be sponsored by Canary Motorcycle Tours, along with the likes of Teapot One and the Missing and Flyer. The fact that they're on the roster and I am baffles my brain, because they're the serious YouTubers, you know. But no, Canary Motorcycle Tours do support me and my endeavours in YouTubing. And every now and again, they invite me to a nice tour. Now, I've done Gran Canaria with Canary Motorcycle Tours, and I have those videos up and live in a playlist. So if you want to watch them and see what Gran Canaria is all about, spoiler alert, a bajillion hairpins, scorching heat and lots of bananas, then I do have a playlist that you guys can catch up on. That is the place to go in the wintertime. That is the place, because you get scorching weather. You have to be super unlucky to get bad weather and rain in Gran Canaria in the winter time. Our UK winter time, that is. Wow, look at the views. Oh, so incredible. Oh, that's beautiful. The water looks like chocolate milk. Chocolate milk. It's giving Willy Wonka. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Wow, look at the heights of these mountains in front of us. Amazing. So what I've heard is that Slovenia is, in some parts, like the parts we're at now, quite alpine feeling. Kind of like Austrian Alp feeling. And I understand, like, it really is. It's so cute. Like, look at that little bridge. What the heck? Oh, I love roads like this. I love it. Ooh, flowing, gorgeous. So I am on the V-Strom 650, and I'll tell you what a good little workhorse this is thus far. Honestly, we're going up some quite steep hills where I'd normally want to be in second gear. Well, this bad boy is just chugging along in third. Oh. One of the things that I really like about Canary Motorcycle Tours is they get the pace right. The pace is fun, the pace is flowy, but also Martin is, say you're in a group like us, if I said to Martin, today can we go, you know, a little bit quicker? He'd be like, yeah, sure. You know, obviously he has a duty of care to assess how he thinks we're riding and agree or not agree to that, but we could say that to him. If you come here and you're in a big group and there's quite a differential with speed with some of the riders in the group, they'll do everything to try and make it so that the people that are a bit faster can, you know, get on with flowing round the bends, and the people that are maybe a bit more nervous or novice or newbies, that they can still get enjoyment out of it, ride to their abilities, and everybody has a good time. Nobody holds anybody back, if that makes sense. Or nobody puts any pressure on anyone to keep up if they can't. Oh, look at this. Yeah. Oh, I love roads like this. I relish in them. You've got the high walls on the left. You've got the beautiful stream brook to the right. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. These kind of roads are just soul fuel. Absolute soul fuel. Bust down, Ljubljana. Oh, it's literally the soundtrack of the holiday for me and Lily. If you know, you know. I'm not sure most of my older male dominated audience will understand that reference, but I'm still a 30-year-old female at the end of the day that likes shit rap music. Oh, I love these roads. Stop it. Why are they so good? Another thing that's awesome about Canary Motorcycle Tours is they know the best places to stop. They know the best places for coffee, they know the best lunch spots. They're just great guides, great guides. The third thing I like, you don't feel restricted in the slightest. It's not like you're under strict itinerary and you have to do this and you have to do that. Like in the evenings, you're free to do whatever the heck you want, but in the day you've got a nice guided route with lots of riding. Okay, oh please, police. apparently there's bears in Slovenia. You know, I never knew that. I never knew. Brown bears. If it's brown, lie down. If it's black, fight back. If it's white, you f***. Oh wow, what a lovely freeing feeling just riding these roads. Oh, beautiful. So, apparently we're going to stop for some coffee. I'm going to stop just before the Austrian border. Then we're going to venture into Österreich. Oh, I love flip-floppers. Oh, flippity-floppity, don't stoppity. Oh, I asked some of my patrons, you know, how would they like to see this trip laid out? What would they like content-wise from it, etc. And a lovely guy called Darren said that he'd really like to hear me and Lily linked up on comms, and yeah, I would have loved that as well. In fact, we did plan for it, and then, you know, we've just got the unfortunate missing piece of the puzzle in Lily's mic, which is gutting, but it is what it is, unfortunately. But you guys also said that you'd like to find out kind of how I came to be friends with Lily. And that's fair enough, because Lily popped up on my channel with us doing loads of tours together. So I met Lily in, I want to say 2019, there or thereabouts. So we've been friends for like, gosh, 5 years. Sheesh, we're in 2024, right? Yeah, 5 years. Damn. And I met her at Caffeine and Machine. And then we kept in touch and over Instagram, and then we got like proper chatty, so then it moved to the WhatsApp. Yeah, we've just kind of been friends ever since. We're quite fortunate that we, you know, get invited to quite a few of the same events, so they're always a nice excuse to get together and just chill. But Lily lives in London, but her heart is in Yorkshire. She absolutely loves Yorkshire, so when she's up north, I was like, hey, you know, you can stay at my house if you wish. And then, yeah, my house is kind of like the halfway stop. And she absolutely loves Jasper, so it's good for her to come up and see Angel King Boy, as she calls him. But yeah, that's how we just became friends, and then we started riding together, realised that our riding style is quite similar and, you know, works well in the sense that we like to, you know, have a bit of a hoon and a bit of a play. We also know when that ain't appropriate. We don't have egos with each other. We're not trying to outdo each other riding all the time, because you see it, don't you? But now we just vibe, we just flow, we just get on so well. And yeah, that is the story of Balamory. So Lily doesn't have a YouTube because she is a corporate baddie. She works in London in a very busy, crazy job. And it's funny because when she comes up and stays with me, I'm always working from the PC, and she always sees the editing that's entailed, and she said, I just don't have time for that, not a chance. But she might document some of the trips in the near future, and I'll let her get off first, and then I'll scutch in. Right there. So yeah, you might see some YouTube videos from Lily in the future if she's got time and she decides to upload. Well, we've just stopped at this lovely cafe. The bikes are all parked up, views sensational. And we're just about to go for a coffee now. Wow, coffee with a view. Sensational. Larry Longlegs here. She doesn't have the issues. Okay. Bus down, Ljubljana. Let's go. Well guys, we just stopped for a lovely coffee. That was crazy. A Slovakian gentleman came up to me and said, "Usernamekate?" And I was like, no way. So that was wild. We are about 5 or 10 minutes away from the Austrian border. Then we're going to do a massive loop around this mountain. So Martin said we've got a few hairpins to tackle today. Let's give it a go. Oh, it's gorgeous temperature today. The bike's saying that it's 24 degrees. And I'm wearing my Nox Urbane Pro Mark III. And it's just lovely. It's just a good temp for it. Oh, flowing round, flowing round, flowing round. 4th gear was probably a bit optimistic for those bends then, but it did it. Lily was cursing because that guy was on a super Duke. We love a good hairpin. Lily's getting used to the lack of torque of the Transalp compared to a Super Duke. So I keep hearing a slip and deck clutch, girl. Got a slip deck clutch. I do like the V-Strong. It's just a mega easy bike to ride. Mega. Use that clutch, use that clutch. Oh, wow. Climbing, climbing, climbing. Look at the views. Look at the views, right. Wow. Oh. Austria! Erste Reich! Yeah! Oh, is this border control? Stop. Amazing. So even though it is a Slovakian trip, you do flit about into some different countries occasionally, because why not make the most of beautiful Europe? Oh, look at this. Look at this. Okay. How gorgeous. Oh. Oh, look at this. Oh, yes. Always look where you want to go. Always. Wow. Oh, look at this. Another proper sweepy one. Oh, this is mint. Flow it around. Oh. We love it. In the words of DJ Khaled, another one. Yes, another one. Water fountain, that's mint. I love these like serpent roads because they look like a snake. The way they just flow and oh, the V-Strom 650 is just the perfect weapon. I love it. You're upright, you've got nice wide bars, you've got a big old screen, the dash is clear, it chugs along in 3rd and 4th gear when you're going real slow, so it's a low maintenance machine to just jump on and bimble and live your best life. Oh, yeah, I'm happy with my choice. Although I think Lily will probably want to get on the V-Strom on day 2, and then I'll probably jump on the Transalp, the 750. But I'll tell you now, my preference is the V-Strom over the Transalp. Maybe that'll change with a day on roads like this, but I can't see it. Would you look at this? Where is he taking us, the madhead? Yeah, he did say there was a portion of the ride where the road surface wasn't great. I'm assuming that's this. But I'll take crummy road surface to be amongst the trees and the, you know, isolation and Up we go. Tidy, tidy. Wow. That's insane down there. Sheesh. Whoa. Oh my days, this is gorge. Whoa. First gear. Up we go. They do love a good hairpin. I thought I'd left the hairpins behind in a GC. But they've made their way to Slovenia. Another one. Slip that good girl. Nice one, Lily. I hear it. Top work. Yes, road surface, garbage. We're clear anyway. It's all good. Slow up here. Oh, my ears are popping. Because we're going higher. Okay, right, we've just stopped off at that beautiful vantage point just there, and now we're getting ready to go, gadget. Right, it's always the vlogger dragging their ass. Let's go. Oh, it's definitely really hot when you get off the bike and you're like sorting your cameras out and stuff like that. It's wild, but when you get on the bike and you're wearing an airflow jacket like us, then you just get a nice breeze. Wow. Wow. Gorge. Oh, what's this border sign? Slovenia! So we dipped our toe into Austria and we're back into Slovenia. Wow, that's a big Defender. Love it. old school one, not the new round ones that look like marshmallows. Oh, 12% gradient going down. I do like going downhill. I love it. I just feel like gravity gives you a helping hand, doesn't it? Borders are funny, aren't they? It's like an invisible line that separates a whole ass country from another whole ass country. And it's just like, well, why is it there? Why is it exactly there? Why couldn't it be slightly to the left? I don't know, it's weird. Wow, this is fun. This is fun. Oh wow, looking down there, I don't want to get target fixation. Gravelly, gravelly. Whoa, that's a big drop down there. That's a big ass drop. Oh, that's a beautiful little place with a wood store and oh, cows! Flipping cows! How sweet! Oh, the views! The views are on another level! Absolutely divine. Wow. This tarmac's nice. Jinxed it. Definitely jinxed it. This is awesome. Oh wow. Oh, imagine living there. Oh my god. Life would be complete. Because this is just something else. Wow, wow, wow. Good lord. Wow. The hills are alive with the sound of music. La da 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 da. Wow. Look at that. Good lord.